The coffee taste of Guatemala. If you've never experienced the taste of Guatemalan coffee, you may be wondering what to expect. Your taste sensation will vary between cups, but generally you're in for a coffee along the following lines: full-bodied, having complex flavors, floral, fruitful, and spicy aromas, containing hints of chocolate, fruit, and nuts, with relatively high acidity featuring bright and tangy zests. The unique flavor of Guatemalan coffee is due in part to the unique features of Guatemala's terrain and climate. Coffee farms in Guatemala tend to be located at higher altitudes, often cut into the side of a mountain, or are situated on a plateau. This altitude contributes to its characteristic acidity. Guatemala's warm climate, high level of rainfall, and fertile soil also provide an ideal environment for producing high-quality beans. However, it's not all about growing conditions. Guatemala's farmers deserve much of the credit for producing such excellent coffee, and their farms are a testament to their care and devotion to their craft. While the climatic and geographical features we previously noted may serve as a useful generalization, each growing region of Guatemala has its own microclimate that creates unique qualities in the coffee grown. Guatemala has 125,000 coffee producers farming across 300 of these different microclimates with 8 distinct coffee regions, giving Guatemalan coffee tremendous diversity and flavor. Now, let's take a look at Guatemala's different coffee growing regions and their unique characteristics. Antigua. Antigua, located west of Guatemala City, is likely the first region springing to the mind of a coffee connoisseur when discussing Guatemalan coffee. A region virtually surrounded by volcanoes, Antigua has an abundance of fertile volcanic soil, and its low humidity climate is ideal for growing rich, full-flavored coffee beans. Atitlan. The Atitlan region, home to the gorgeous Lake Atitlan, sits in the Sierra Madre mountain range near the Pacific coast. With high rainfall and the protection of surrounding mountain ranges, temperatures often cool off slightly, allowing for the development of more complex flavors. Atitlan farmers have also perfected environmentally friendly farming techniques that leverage the region's particular geographical characteristics and are fertilized naturally. The resulting crop is usually processed using a washed or semi-washed method. Coffee grown in the Atitlan region is often full-bodied with a floral, somewhat spicy taste. Coban Rainforest. Coban is a relatively remote growing region located at the very center of Guatemala. In contrast to the sunnier volcanic regions of Guatemala, Coban is a subtropical rainforest with steady rainfall throughout the year. Coffee beans from this region are grown in limestone and clay soil, receive little direct sunlight, and the climate is colder relative to other regions of Guatemala. The combination of growing conditions make Coban coffee beans medium-bodied, bright, and less acidic than beans from other Guatemalan growing regions. Flores Plateau. The Flores Plateau is south of Guatemala City and is characterized by a wider temperature variation than other Guatemalan growing regions. It's also particularly sunny, contributing to an almost sun-dried quality to the coffee grown there. Coffee beans from the Flores Plateau also benefit from growing in fertile volcanic soil. They periodically get dusted down with volcanic ash from the nearby active volcano, Pacaya. The Flores' dry and sunny climate is somewhat similar to Antigua's and is similarly ideal for growing flavorful and full-bodied coffee beans. Highland Huahue Tango. In your search for a good Guatemalan coffee, Huahue Tango is a region you're likely to encounter. Positioned alongside the Mexican border, Huahue Tango is Guatemala's highest, driest, and most remote coffee growing region. While volcanoes are a common feature of many of Guatemala's growing regions, Huahue Tango is non-volcanic. The subtropical climate's predictability allows Huahue Tango farmers to produce a range of specialty beans that give a mildly acidic flavor similar to that of wine. Nuevo Oriente. Nuevo Oriente is situated near Honduras in the eastern portion of Guatemala along a volcanic range. It's a growing region heavy in clay. The clay can make growing more difficult, but pays dividends in terms of how rich the soil is in minerals. Nuevo Oriente is one of the oldest growing regions in Guatemala. Small-scale coffee growers thrive here and have been producing top-quality beans since the 1800s. Coffee from this region is renowned for its particularly strong aroma and high acidity. Expect to experience a full-bodied cup when trying these beans. San Marcos. Located in the very west of Guatemala, San Marcos is a mountainous region with microclimates heavily influenced by the Pacific Ocean. San Marcos is renowned for heavy rainfall, heat, humidity, and volcanoes, each of which contributes to the incredible quality of coffee beans from this region. San Marcos coffee beans have a characteristic acidic bite to them that's reminiscent of lime. This acidity is often coupled with a floral smell and notes of cocoa.